Right now, most people are using ChatGPT the wrong way. They open it, ask random questions, get answers, and leave. But the real power of ChatGPT is not in asking questions. It's in turning it into a system that runs parts of your daily life. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn ChatGPT into a complete productivity system. One that helps you plan your day, organize your work, automate thinking, and get more done in less time. No coding. No complicated setup. Just practical steps you can start using immediately. Most people treat ChatGPT like Google. They ask one question at a time. But ChatGPT works best when you give it context, structure, and continuity. Think of it like this: if you hire an assistant, you don't ask them random questions every hour. You give them your goals, your tasks, your preferences, and then they help you consistently. ChatGPT works the same way. The more context you give it, the more powerful it becomes. Let's build your first system. Open ChatGPT and start a new chat. Now paste this. Act as my productivity assistant. Help me plan my day, prioritize tasks, and stay focused. Ask me questions if needed. This becomes your daily command center. Every morning you come here first, then you input what you need to do, your deadlines, your energy level, and ChatGPT helps you structure everything. Now let's make it practical. Use this prompt. Here are my tasks for today. List tasks. Organize them into a priority list. Estimate time for each and create a simple schedule. What happens? Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you get a clear plan. You can also, what should I do first for maximum impact? What can I delay or remove? This reduces decision fatigue. Productivity is not just planning, it's execution. Use ChatGPT as a focus coach. Prompt. Break this task into small steps and guide me through it one step at a time. Instead of facing a big task, you handle it step by step. You can even say, stay with me and keep me focused for the next 25 minutes. This turns ChatGPT into a virtual accountability partner. Here, where things get powerful, use ChatGPT to automate mental work. Examples: writing emails, summarizing documents, generating ideas, creating outlines. Instead of starting from zero, you start from a structured output. Prompt example: summarize this text into key points and action steps. This idea into a clear plan. This saves hours every week. Review my week based on these completed tasks. What did I do well and what should I improve next week? Now ChatGPT becomes a reflection tool. You improve every week instead of repeating mistakes. If you want to go further, create separate chats for work, learning, personal goals. Each one becomes a specialized assistant. This keeps your system clean and more effective. Most people use ChatGPT for answers, but now you know how to use it as a system. And that's the difference between using AI and actually benefiting from it. If you want, next video I can show you how to automate this entire system using tools. Thank you for watching.